Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video, I'm going to talk about symbols in CorelDRAW, how to create symbols and use them. So it's pretty basic stuff. So let's get started. So first of all, we need to open a Docker, go to Window, Dockers and click on this symbols option. So it will create the symbols Docker or the symbols panel. Now we can choose any object and create it, or rather convert it into a symbol. It can be anything, it can be a shape, image or text. So to start with, I'm going to take this shape. So I'm going to color it with this color doesn't really matter. Now let's say I want to use this same object multiple times, maybe on the same page or different pages. So let's see, if I am drawing a diagram and I'm using this particular object multiple times, so what will happen? So let's say I'm going to copy this, right click, I'm using right click, drag, right click. So after creating and placing all the objects in their places, later I realized that this needed to be changed, or I wanted something different in the particular object. So what will happen if I want to change all the objects? I have to delete all the objects and change the object and again place it exactly as they were. So it will be a very time consuming method. So instead of that, what we are going to do is we are going to convert this particular object into a symbol. You can convert it by directly dragging it over here, or you can simply click on this plus icon and you can name it whatever you want. So let's say I'm going to name it 1. So it will appear over here. Now I'm going to copy this. You can simply drag it from here as well, or you can copy, doesn't really matter, like this. So now if I want to change anything in the symbol, let's say to start with, I'm going to change the color. So go to edit, click on any object, that is irrelevant. You can click on any object and click on edit. So let's say if I want red color, and again I want to change the shape, so I'm going to convert to curves and now click finish. So as you can see, I only changed one object and it automatically showing on all other objects. So that is the benefit of objects. We don't have to do anything, it will be changed in all the objects automatically. Now again I'm going to show you with the help of text. So let's say I'm creating an ebook or book. So let's say I wrote down graphic design like this. I'm going to create one more page. So these are 2 pages. Now let's say I'm going to copy this multiple times. Now again I will copy this here. If I want to change the spelling, let's say I wanted graphic designing instead of graphic design, I have to do it again and again, or have to delete this and again copy this. So again it is very much time consuming. So instead of that, what we can do is we can convert this into, I'm going to increase the size just so that you can see the text clearly. So again click on the plus mark or directly drag it over here. So this is now a symbol. As you can see, this is a symbol and this shows up once you convert this into a symbol. So let's say I'm going to copy this, and remember to copy the object after you convert, otherwise it won't work. So again Control C or Command C if you're using Mac, Control V or Command V. So again let's say I want to change the spelling or color or font, whatever you want. Again go to edit. So let's say I want graphic designing, and again I want to change the spelling. I already changed the spelling and font. I will select this Poppins and I will change the color, this one. So once I finish, it will be changed automatically in all the text that I used. So this is the benefit of using symbols and copying them multiple times instead of copying the normal object multiple times. It will save us a lot of time and effort. So do use this and make your life easier. So this is how you can use symbols effectively in CorelDRAW. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.